Hoover. What do you want, Hoover? You getting out of your little blankies? What do you need? What do you want, Hoover? What do you want? Get up in my lap. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hoover. Come on. You can get my lap. Come on. Come on. Come on. Is that what you want? See, my nose is peeling. It got chapped from all the cold weather. So I've got chapped nose. You're drooling on me, Hoover. Yeah. You can go sleep. You gonna go sleep? Yeah, he's been biting today, and that's not a good thing, but he just wants to be loved on, and he'll be alright. Very, very high maintenance animal. Needs tons of attention, but they're so cute. Hoover is 6 months. You see that little skin coming off his nose where it got chapped. Hoover, you want to say good night? And tell everybody good night. So I'm going to lay in Mommy's lap until she puts me in my kennel. Say good night.